Yeah, I'm not the hi guys type of vlogger. So trite. I'm never gonna say hi guys. I'm never gonna say here we are. Because you're not here. I'm here. And it's not the same thing to watch a video and to be in the place. You want to experience Baguio? You want to experience the Philippines? You have to come here. Doesn't matter how many videos of the Philippines you watch. You can binge watch all the YouTube videos of someone like Drew Binsky, and you still won't be a world traveler. You can listen to his insights, his opinions, what happened to him in different countries, and it won't matter. You'll be giving his videos some views. You might learn something, but if you want to know what if you want to know what it's like in a country like the Philippines or like Iran, Afghanistan, Yemen, wherever, you have to go there yourself. Experience it, breathe it, feel it. Watching a video on your phone, on your iPad, other brand of tablet, on your computer. Won't give you the experience. Fuck saying hi guys. So dumb. Come up with something else. Something original. Yeah, that's pretty much the walk from. I started recording near where I live. My landlady has privacy concerns, so I respect that. And so I started recording near where I live, and here we are Almost at Marcos Highway, main highway running through Baguio. Barangay Dontogan is almost at an end. Still recording, aren't you? What can I tell you about the Philippines that you might not know? Well, you might be unaware that the majority of people here understand and can communicate with you in English. And English is the lingua franca, the common language of the people from island to island. It's also used by the federal government to communicate to the people. The president will address the people using English. Legislation is written in English. The court sessions are conducted in English. And if somebody goes to court who doesn't know English, there's a translator, an interpreter for them. Everything they say is translated into English. English is co-official along with Filipino, also known as Tagalog, nationwide.
We might be here for a while kasi yung aircon ginagawa. Bumod! Oo, sir. Alam mo yung bumod. Nakita ko na yun.
There's also something called Taglish, which, as the name implies, is a mix of Tagalog and English. The guy you might have heard started out speaking in English and switched to Tagalog. He said, "We might be here for a while." Kasi is because something nila. Nila is like them or their, like a possessive, THEIR.